Ito ang aming maliit na babuyan ni Neri. Experimental. Sapagkat maraming natatakot na baka tamaan ng ASF. We are experimenting on a small backyard hog racing. Pero ang pinapakain namin dito, testing. Sorghum, soybeans,
may
hammered corn. Yun lang. Hindi na commercial feeds. So makikita nyo, ilang buwan na ito na?
4 months karon.
4 months, no? And makikita nyo, maganda naman yung katawan. What is significant about this experiment is the fact that ito kapag successful, may impact ito sa corn industry. Kasi right now, bagsak ang presyo ng mais kasi walang nag-aalaga ng baboy. Pati yung sorghum namin nahirapan kami magbenta sapagkat mahina yung demand for hog feeds. So by experimenting on backyard hog racing, na very simple lang yung feed formulation, sorghum, hammered corn, copra meal, maybe copra meal soybeans, wala na ibang halo, wala nang micro ingredients, nothing, no? Just very simple. And nakikita niyo naman, lapitan mo Joey, pagkita mo yung katawan ng baboy natin. So makikita nyo yung katawan ng mga baboy namin, maganda. At ito 4 months old. Mahigit na to mga 100 kilos. So tingin ko, kapag naging successful itong experiment na to, na ang pinapakain sa baboy ay simple feeds lang, simple feed formulation, baka ma-revive natin yung ating hog industry at magkakaroon ulit ng demand for corn, for sorghum, and other raw materials. At mabubuhay ulit natin yung ating corn and sorghum industry.